Binance, the once gold standard for crypto listings and the dream exchange for projects, seems to have shifted gears. From being a hub of exclusivity and hype, it's now listing tokens like TST, a test coin turned meme, with seemingly little regard for its old fundamentals. It's almost like Binance has sidelined its greatest strength, exclusivity and quality control. And this change reflects a broader issue among top centralized exchanges. They're losing the spark that made them industry giants. Listing decisions, trading fees, and user experience no longer inspire the same confidence they once did. And as they cling to dated approaches, the door opens for a new wave of CEXs to disrupt the space. A knowledgeable friend of mine has been saying it for ages, and I'm inclined to agree. The crypto landscape is ripe for fresh players to challenge the old guard. These emergent exchanges, prioritizing transparency, innovation, and user trust, might soon outshine the likes of Binance, but time, of course, will tell. This is my research and opinion. Do your own, and for more things crypto, give me a follow.